Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to make a zombie shooter game. So let me show you how it is. So let's make it. First things first, delete the scratch cat. Make a new sprite. We'll paint it. We'll take the circle tool. We'll fill it with white. Outline 5. Hold down shift. Okay, that's good. Put it in the middle. And then you have to zoom in. We'll take the line tool. We'll start from here. We'll make this guy's arm like that, and that. We'll pick the rectangle tool. We'll fill it with light grey color, and then we'll make a normal rectangle. Make it a little big. There you go. We'll go to stage. We will fill this whole background with dark grey. We'll fill it like here. There you go. Go to back here. We'll call this layer. We'll go to code. Go to events. When green flag clicked, we'll go to X 0, Y 0. We'll point in direction 90, and then we will show it, and forever if key right arrow pressed, we will turn, let's say 4 degrees. To duplicate this, we'll left arrow, we'll turn left 4 degrees, and then if key up arrow pressed, we will move, say 4 steps. So we have our capture moving. So now I think that's it. Let's make the bullet. We'll paint it. Costumes. Rectangle tool. Fill it with a simple yellow color. We'll zoom in. We'll make it just as big. That's too big. Okay, that's it. We'll wait, follow me. We'll go to back to player. We'll copy this. We'll paste it, and then what we're going to do here is we're going to go here. We're going to put this right in here, and then we'll delete this, delete that, and that, and that. Go. Call this bullet. and then we'll go to code. When green flag clicked, forever, we will hide it first. Forever, if key space pressed, we will go to control. We'll create clone of myself. We'll wait 1 second. And then when I start as clone, we will show it. We'll go to player. We'll go to back layer. We will take repeat until or touching edge, and then we'll leave this for later, and then we'll move 15 steps. At first we'll point in direction, go to sensing. We will drag this block here, player, direction of player, so point in direction of player, go to player, repeat until touching edge, move 15 steps. Last thing, we'll delete this clone. So now we have our player shooting. Press space to shoot, and there you go. So we have our character shooting. Now we'll make the zombie. We'll duplicate the player. Go to player. We'll copy this. We'll paste. We'll paste. And we'll delete the gun. We'll move his hand a little here. Here. There you go. And then we will take the fill tool. We'll fill it with a dark green color. Make it look like a zombie. Zombie. Then go to code. When green flag clicked, we'll hide it forever. We'll wait here like 3 seconds, and then we'll create clone of myself. We'll wait 1 second, and then when I start as a clone, we will go to X operators, pick random to this. We'll put this in Y. We'll go to X here, 240, pick random -180 to 180. We will show, and then control, repeat until operators, we'll take it off, sensing, touching player, wait. We'll actually do this, touching bullet. We will point towards player. We will move 1 step, and then we'll delete this clone. Let's try that. Let's see if that works. And there you go, the zombies. So let's go back to player. We'll add one more this. We'll change this to down arrow. We'll move -4 steps. There you go. We'll go to bullet, duplicate this, say touching zombie. So let's go to variables. We'll make a variable. We'll call it live or sprites. At the first, we will set live to 3. So we'll say this so we'll put here in the player. Let's try it. So if let's say touching zombie, then we will change lives by -1, and then we'll control wait until not touching zombie. Let's try that. Oh, that's a glitch. I think we'll make it easier. We'll take an or, bullet or touching player, and then we will go to zombie, control, if touching bullet. We'll also make a variable. We'll say Z lives for this sprite only. So we'll set Z lives to 3. So if touching bullet, actually here, we'll just say player. If touching bullet, we will change Z lives to -1, and then we will wait until not touching bullet, and then we'll put another if less than variable Z lives less than 1. We will then actually here do another trick. Here we'll put this here. Oh no. Put this here. Put touching player. So I think that is it. Let's try this. Shoot 1 or 3 times. There you go. And it's a little hard, so you can decrease this weight. 1 second here, 0.5. So thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.